everybody, what is up? I'm super excited. I got a special guest today who's gonna be helping me take the engine out of the Mazda. All right, guys, so the special guest is Natalie. Say what's up.
What's up, fans?
We're gonna be getting started. It's pretty late right now. I had to work in the morning, but we're gonna hopefully get as much as we can done. We're gonna be taking this engine out. Probably only have about 2.5 hours, if that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna need the help. So Neffy is gonna be giving us a hand. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, let's get this started. The first thing we're gonna wanna be doing, we're gonna take this battery out, and then I'm probably gonna take the radiator out. But before you do that, obviously, you're gonna have to take all the coolant out because you don't want that getting all over the place. And then we're gonna go ahead and start disconnecting all of the harness. And then obviously we're gonna have to be taking the motor mounts out of the way, drop the exhaust from the bottom, and then we're gonna be using this cherry picker. Got it from Harbor Freight, by the way, if you want one, pretty cheap there. So we're gonna be taking that apart and yeah, getting it ready. Hopefully by the next 2-3 weeks, maybe we will have the other engine in. Don't know yet. So we'll see how this goes. So really important when you're taking off sensors, Neffy, show them really quick. You're gonna name the sensor that you're actually taking off. That's it, left crank sensor. So you're gonna tape that up. So always make sure you're doing that so you can keep that on track. I know what goes where, but it's always a good idea to do that in case whatever, you sell a car one day and somebody wants to put another engine back together, they know how to do that. It's much easier for them. So it's gonna be this one right there, just like that. Same one, we're gonna put that there. So you got this, Neffy. Nasty water. Look at this, guys. Came out of the engine. So Neffy's over there. What are you doing, Neffy?
Putting
the tags for the for these sensors, and then the ones in the bottom over there. So we're getting it, man. We're getting this rolling. Got all the easy stuff out of the way. Just gotta get this radiator here, and then what else? And then the exhaust. I know I'm gonna have to take the transmission off because I don't have a second transmission, and I'm gonna use that transmission so I can put it to this other engine, the klze engine, by the way. For those of you that don't know, that is a JDM version of this one, which comes with about 40 more horsepower. So that's gonna be much, much, much better. Right, Neffy?
Yes.
All right, just pick it up slowly. Got you a banana, Neffy. So everything's looking pretty good, pretty smooth now. We got the radiator out. We got the whole intake, the battery. We got most of the sensors already out. Just need the one in the far back. And then we're rolling. Oh, we gotta take this one out too. Don't forget this. So we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, sometimes some bolts are very stripped, and don't even mess around with it. Just bolt, just break it. So guys, sometimes these sensors do not want to come out. So oh my gosh, Neff, you just got it out. Wow guys, so Neff just took out the sensor that was struggling, man.
Is it D?
Yeah, we're gonna name that DED.
Right, I got it.
So again, we're naming these sensors again, so just so we have everything on check here. When you're taking these engines apart, it is really trippy when you got these sensors, guys, because no kidding. I don't know how that was. I don't know how that happened. But anyways. Nice. A few other sensors, 1, 2, and maybe the cable, and pretty much that sets it for the main part of the swap. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, it's getting pretty dark right now, but we got a ton done. Most of the harness and the radiator, all this stuff here. Intake, I mean completely, the hood is out, so we got quite a bit done already. We're getting super hungry, and we thinking that pretty good. Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
And if you haven't already, check out Import Unlimited, and if you have an IS300, definitely check it out. Tons of parts there for you guys that have an IS300. And again, we still don't have more apparel. Well, show me your shirt. There it is right there. That's what's up. We don't have any more. It's all gone.
Hoodie.
But we'll probably, and oh, the hoodies. Show them the hoodies.
Hoodie.
So we got the hoodies already. Actually put that on. It's pretty cold right now.
Yep.
So we'll probably have the hoodies and the shirts probably another week or two, maybe. Hopefully. I know you guys are asking for it, but just wait for it. Just a little bit more. And the tin can 626 is coming along, guys. There you go. So we'll see you on the next video. Anything you want to say?
Shout out to Josue, my sisters,
Who?
and Ulises.
Oh, Lisa's. All right, guys, you heard it from Neffy, the lefty. We'll see you soon.
Oh, I didn't record. Oh my gosh. I just
Cut.